ว่าอันนี้เป็นสังข้าวโพดก็เหมือนเดิมใช่ไหมครับเราเห็นว่าข้าวโพดเหมือนเดิมอันนี้ที่สีดำปกติถ้าเราเผาในแปลงอันนี้ไปในอากาศหมดเลยก็ทำให้เราไอแล้วดินมันไม่มีอันนี้
สอบถามอาจารย์วอลฟาร์มค่ะว่าทำไมอาจารย์วอลฟาร์มต้องมาทำไบโอชาในพื้นที่ที่แม่แจ่มนี้คะ
Yeah, Mae Chaem is known for having a big area of maize production, and we know that a substantial share of maize produces harvesting residues which are not made use of, and in parts they even burned on the field, which is a big problem, causing a lot of smoke in the air, which leads to problems in terms of health and also in terms of environmental pollution. So this is why we want to carry out the project of biochar production here, where we promote biochar as a way to convert the harvesting residues into a valuable soil amendment without a direct combustion.
แล้วไบโอชาคืออะไรประโยชน์ของไบโอชามีอะไรบ้างคะ
The biochar is produced by a process of pyrolysis. That means we have this kiln, which we have just seen in operation, where instead of burning the biomass directly, we are producing heat that makes the flue gases escape and being burned separately of the biomass. What remains there is basically the carbon grid, and carbon, as we know, is the structure of life. All living things are based on carbon structures, and if we have the chance to bring this back to the soil, then we can improve the soil fertility. Biochar is not, as sometimes claimed, a fertilizer because it is low in nutrients. So we cannot plant any economic crops with biochar only, but biochar helps us to make a better use of the fertilizer. Means the biochar increases the so-called cation exchange capacity, so that the nutrients in the fertilizer which are applied to the soil which has biochar are bound to the biochar and can be used to the plants without being lost by gasification or being washed away.
The northern of Thailand, especially in Mae Chaem district, Chiang Mai Province, the farmer face a big problem of smog based on corn production systems. Since this collective fuel burning takes place in the dry seasons, the hottest time of the year. When the amount of precipitation is very low, there is a huge smog development in the entire regions of northern Thailand. The city of Chiang Mai, which is located in a valley between the mountains, is often covered under a blanket of smoke caused by the massive air pollution on fuel burning. Many greenhouse gases also arise during the combustion. Despite the legal prohibition of this practice, most farmers still burn their crop residue. The purpose of tilling the soil is to bury crop residues, manure, and weeds, as well as airing and warming the soils. However, continually tilling the soils can do great damage to the soil structure and ecology, and can eventually lead to soil infertility. One possible solution to this problem could be the alternative crop productions. Non-tillage farming system avoid troubling the soil with tools like shield plow, field cultivators, discs, and plows. The main objective of this study is to promote increasing non-tillage farming system in the target area, Mae Chaem District, Chiang Mai Province. For negative impact of corn productions, enhance food security and resilience.